Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ankeecodeverse. Today we are diving into the exciting world of SwiftUI. In our last video we did a splash screen. If you are new here, be sure to check that show. Today I will be creating a simple welcome screen. So let's start. Firstly, setting up the file structure, we will create a file named introview and begin by removing the text. We added a background color theme you can enhance by adding a background image. Next up, let's add a image and place two buttons at the bottom. We will ensure they are styled perfectly for the screen layout. We will include a navigation link right under the Add Destination button and then hide the navigation bar. Having designed and set up the button view layout as per the design, I implemented this function under the label. Adding padding and duplicate the exact button within the stack and modify the name and color. Once we have chosen a small design and being the step-by-step implementations, I am grateful for your support. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.